Welcome to another exciting and fun quiz to test your knowledge of pickleball. What year was pickleball invented? 1965. Which sport is pickleball a combination of? Tennis, badminton, and table tennis. What type of paddle is used to play pickleball? A solid paddle made of wood or composite material. What is the standard size of a pickleball court? 20 feet by 44 feet. How many points does a player need to win a pickleball game? 11, 15, or 21 points, depending on the tournament rules. Click the link in the comments section below to learn more. Thanks.